Today on John's Tailgate Garage. It's a real quick video. Remember the last oil change I did on the 450L? I went over a little bit. It was about 1,400 miles on some AMS oil. So I sent away 2 AMS oil for a kit. They're going to do an oil analysis. The kit was like 34 bucks and change, and they're going to do whatever it is they do, and they're going to tell me whatever it is they tell me. So you get a little bag, a little box, a little tube. There we go. Little instructions on what to do. Little prepaid sticker. A little sample bottle. Some of you guys know what this is for. Or you will know what that's for. And a whole big ass form to fill out. Alright, so that's what we're going to do. We're going to fill this up with the oil from the last oil change. Again, that was using the AMS oil. It was the motorcycle. Shoot, I forget which oil it was. It was AMS oil. And send that off and see what 1,400 miles did to it. And then the next oil change we do will be with the Motul oil. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to do this again. And we'll see if there's a difference. I'm going to run the Motul to about 1,000 miles, 1,200 miles. That's what I'm aiming for. I want to double it if I can. But obviously, if this comes back saying that, you know, they found nothing but piston ring and piston sleeve metal in my oil, then the experiment's over. While we're talking about what else is happening, I just got this package from FedEx today from some Japanese company I had never heard of. Alright, so much for finesse. From some Japanese company I'd never heard of. And this is what I'll be doing for the rest of the day. So that video is going to be coming soon. And I also just put a new skid plate on the 450L. That's another video coming soon. So basically this video is about all the videos that are going to be coming out without actually putting out a video. That was stupid. Here, I'll tease you a little bit. Here's what the AXP skid plate looks like. Yeah, and I went with red. I went with red. Alright, that's enough. Thanks for tuning in. Stay tuned. I'll let you know what the oil says. We'll do a video on how the Vortex ECU runs. I'll put out a video on putting the AXP skid plate on. And yeah. That's it.